잊고 살았던 게 너무 많은데.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you have already subscribed and if you have not done yet then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Today we will dye a vintage diary with the help of some papers. We just need to crush them all, not crush, tear them all into fine pieces and let them soak overnight into water. Then next day you need to grind them all very well. You need to mix some glue in the paper paste and also some on the cover, and then spread it all over your sheet carefully. You can even give some up and down looks, all those old dry looks by pressing here and there and giving some shapes over it. You need to do it very well, all even, and cover it properly with the paper. Be careful, there shouldn't be any air or space in between the papers because it will break down when it will dry if there will be space in between. And it's better like if you mix some glue because that will make it easy and will give a smooth look. Cover both the sides with it. Now at this side also we need to cover it with this. If it's a spiral then you better paste a sheet in between, but in the last you need to tear it off only because it will become very wet. But if you will not paste now, then at the end it will block the pages to turn when the paper pieces will enter the between the spiral parts. It will block it away. Now soak the water, take off all the water with the help of cotton cloth by pressing with some cotton cloth. Take out as much water you can and pick it up carefully and keep it under the sunlight for likely whole day. If I kept it at 11 o'clock and took it back at 6 o'clock. This was fine hour for the most sunrise that it got, sun rays, and then I brought it back. It's very wet and it's moving very soft, like you will feel like the book has been ruined, but it's not. When it will be dry it will become very tight. Now take some coffee, mix it in water and paint the papers, all the pages with coffee. This will give your pages a old vintage look, like all those old books we had, when a very old time book. It will. Now we need to paint it with some dark color and then some brown paint. I'm taking acrylic paint because it will give a quite shiny look over it. You can even mix some colors like black, dark green, brown, and if you have dark brown then that also, dark green, a quite yellow, and mix them well. You can even mix some glue in the paint, but don't mix glue in the container because it will ruin the whole paint. You can even mix some water in between to give some light look. The orange yellow look is coming from the water because the water is mixing in between. And fill all those small pores also. I've made a dark one also, like this. This is looking like my vintage diary, and now it's all done.